Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritika and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and vlogs sometimes. So if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel because that means a lot to me. And without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video because it is going to be a very long video. And usually I love to make long videos and I love to yap, but today I am trying to make it a little short, but I know it is going to get really long because I have lot and lots of products with me. So basically today's video is going to be a summer essential video. Even though I know काफी ज़्यादा late हो चुका है and summers are already in its peak, but I thought better late than never because मुझे ये video बहुत टाइम से करना था, बट कुछ ना कुछ करके ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिले हो रहा था. सो नाउ इट्स द परफेक्ट टाइम फॉर मी टू सिट एंड अच्छे से फिल्म द summer essential video. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching because I have some very good recommendations, like product recommendations for you guys. I have skincare, makeup, hair care, body care and some random stuff which you will 100% need in this very bad summer. And you can literally trust on my recommendations because it is literally 38 to 40 degrees every single day over here, like the place where I stay. So you can literally close your eyes and trust my recommendations, and all of these are 100% my favorite, non-sponsored and honest review. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So as usual, I'll start with skincare because I don't really have a lot of skincare products because I always stick to very minimal skincare routine because I have super sensitive and oily acne prone skin. So I like to stay a little less on products and rely on good quality products basically. So the first thing is a face wash. So for face wash, I always trust my very trustable product, which is this Dot and Key Sika calming face wash. This is very gentle yet effective for your morning face wash. For night I use something else, but that is like a pharmacy based, so here I'm not showing, but this you can use on morning and in night as well. So this is like a very perfect gel based face wash. If you have oily acne prone combination skin, then you can literally use this face wash and you will feel that very squeaky clean effect, but it will not dry out your skin that much. So yeah, this is a very good, very gentle and effective face wash. But if you're like a dry skin girly, then I would say it will dry a little bit because it has salicylic acid. So yeah, you can do your own research and trial and error and just get the product. Okay, so yeah, this is the very first product and this is the face wash that I use for years at this point. If you have seen my other recommendations video, then you will know this is one of my very favorite and holy grail products. So I just keep on repurchasing this, and this is perfect for your summer morning cleanser. Okay, now moving on to the moisturizer. These days, I am really loving this Emollient moisturizer. I am literally on my seventh or eighth tube because I have used and abused this product so much. I was very late to the party of using Emollient moisturizer, but yeah, the moment I tried, I fell in love because इससे पहले मैं Cetaphil use करती थी and that used to be little heavy on my face, and obviously my skin changed every season, every now and then, because I have hormonal issues. So for that reason my skin changed every single time. थोड़े मतलब 3-4 महीने के बाद ही मेरा स्किन टाइप चेंज हो जाता था. बट जब से मैंने ये स्टार्ट किया है, दिस इज़ वेरी गुड ऑन माई स्किन लव्स दिस मॉइस्चराइजर, एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी लाइट वेट, वेरी जेल बेस्ड. लाइक लेट मी शो यू द टेक्सचर. लाइक सी, आई नो कि आप लोगों को पता ही है कि इमोलिन क्या है. अब मतलब at this point everyone knows that what is Emollient and everybody has used it. I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा late हूँ, but anyway, so look at this. This is the texture. एकदम मेल्ट हो गया स्किन पे, एकदम वाटर बेस्ड है. सो आई जस्ट लव दिस. मेरी स्किन में ये बहुत अच्छे से अब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है. एंड फॉर समर्स दिस इज ऑल वी वांट, राइट? लाइक ऑयली स्किन गर्लीज के लिए एक परफेक्ट जेल बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइजर. ब्लेसिंग. Okay, now moving on to the SPF, which is the most important thing in this bad summer. I have my most favorite sunscreen ever. इसकी बात करूँ, मैंने इसकी इन्फिनिटी बॉटल्स ख़त्म किया हुआ है अब तक. लाइक क्रेजी क्रेजी. आई लव दिस SPF सो मच कि मैंने इसको हर हर एक जन को रिकमेंड कर दिया है. एंड एवरीबडी जिसने भी इसको यूज़ किया है, एवरी वन लव्स इट. इट गिव्स यू सच अ ग्लोई फिनिश. बट ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब क्या बताओ, इट मेक्स योर स्किन मैट बट ग्लोई. द टेक्सचर मैट बट इट सीम्स वेरी वेरी ग्लोई. मेकअप के नीचे दिस इज परफेक्ट. इफ यू वांट टू स्किप प्राइमर, जस्ट स्किप प्राइमर एंड यूज दिस. दिस इज सो गुड. इसका टेक्सचर बहुत ही लाइट वेट है. लेट मी शो इट टू यू एक्चुअली. लाइक सी, दिस इज एकदम मिल्की सा टेक्सचर और ये एकदम स्लाइड कर जाता है, इतना लाइट वेट है. एंड लुक एट दिस, इट जस्ट वेंट इनटू माय स्किन जैसे कि ये कभी था ही नहीं, है ना? And I'll just show you the glow it provides. Just look at the glow. बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाइड्रेटिंग है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है. दिस इज़ माई 100% recommendation for you guys, and this is my all time favorite sunscreen. Some days I literally skip on moisturizer and just use this, and this does the job. This moisturizes my skin really really well. It gives that very deep hydration, and this yellow bottle is my 100% favorite. This is Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Sunscreen. It has 50 it has SPF 50 PA4 plus and broad spectrum, and this is also fragrance free. So all the sensitive skin girly, this is all you need in your life. But also I have another recommendation from the same range, which is in another variant, which is Dot & Key Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen. It is also with SPF 54 plus and yeah, broad spectrum and everything. This is very very cooling sunscreen. I have used 3-4 bottles of this one. इसका तो I have no idea कि मैंने कितने bottles खत्म कर दिए हैं इस point पे, but of this one I have used 4. This is a little heavier in texture than this one. This is literally a milky sunscreen. ये उससे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा heavy है. Not on skin, but the texture is a little heavier, but else the finish is so good. If you are someone who likes to apply all the cooling products during summer, then this is the sunscreen for you. So I clearly love Dot & Key as a brand. I love their sunscreen, I love their face wash, I love their moisturizing gel. Like, it is so good. And Dot & Key as a brand is a 10 on 10 brand for me. So yeah, I just love it. This is like a 100% recommendation from my side. Just try once and there is again no going back. Okay, now moving on to this lip balm. This is from Dr. Sheth's. It is their SPF lip balm. It is Kesar and Kojic acid lip balm. It has SPF 50 PA3 plus. It is very very moisturizing. It also claims to reduce your lip pigmentation, but I don't know about that because that did not work for me. But as a lip sunscreen, this is a very very good product. This is so lightweight, gives you a very moisturizing effect, and I personally really like to use this during summers, like on the days that I'm not wearing makeup and I just want my skin to breathe and let it be like that. So I use this one on my lips, and yeah, I'm just good to go. Now in the summers you will obviously go on vacations, and tanning is a very very must thing in this entire process. So for tanning I have this very good peeling solution. This is very very beginner friendly. This is Dermaco 15% peeling solution. It has 15% AHA plus 1% BHA, which is very very beginner friendly, and this will actually help you to get rid of your tan, and also it helps to fade your acne marks, pigmentation. Overall, it is really a good product. It is a 10 on 10 product. Again, this has helped me so much in my skincare journey. Like, I used to get very bad acne, pigmentation, acne marks all over my face, and this is one product that I have only trusted on because I have not used any other product except this. And this literally helped me so much in my entire journey. So yeah, this is again 100% recommendation from my side. And also, don't forget to do a little patch test here, because again, beginner friendly hair, but you should always do a patch test before applying it. So yeah, this is again a very must have during summers, because tanning to hota rahega, and this is something that will actually help you. Because honestly, DIY mask उतना tanning के साथ नहीं help करता है, because I have personally tried removing tan with DIY mask or any other mask, face mask. कुछ भी वर्क नहीं करता है मेरे लिए, बट दिस वन रियली वर्क्स आफ्टर 3-4 यूजेस. एक्चुअली टैन बहुत ज़्यादा फेड हो जाता है. सो या, इफ़ यू आर समवन जिसका बहुत ज़्यादा टैनिंग होता है, एंड इन जनरल समर्स में सबका ही बहुत ज़्यादा टैनिंग हो जाता है, सो यू कैन लिटरली यूज दिस ऑन योर फेस, ऑन योर बॉडी, ऑन योर नेक, ऑन योर आर्म्स, everywhere, and this will 100% show you results. Okay, now moving on to my another favorite product, which is this face mask from Dermaco. And this is their 2% salicylic acid clay face mask. As a oily skin girly and during summers, my skin loves clay mask. And this is the most used clay mask I have ever used, because I have emptied a lot of tubs of this product and my skin absolutely loves it. It has 2% salicylic acid, so acne के लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. And this is like a 10 on 10 mask. Again, I just love it. इस पूरे recommendation video में I literally love all the products that I'm going to show you guys. So 10 on 10 बहुत अच्छा है. ये सब तो आप लोग सुनने वाले हो repeatedly. So yeah, this is a very good product. Even my brother loves it. He has a very acne sensitive prone skin, and his skin also loves it. So yeah, this is a very good product. So if you are someone who gets acne, oily skin, sensitive skin, so this is a very good clay mask. And summers ke liye clay masks are really good. So yeah, you can literally give this a try and you will never regret. Okay, never regret. Okay, that's all for my skincare routine. Now moving on to the body care routine. For body care, I have this very good body wash. This is from Be Body Wise. It's their 2.5% benzoyl peroxide body wash, and I kid you not, I have a very bad acne prone body. Like, my body skin is very acne prone, very sensitive. It used to get strawberry skin and acne and inflammation and a lot of other stuff because of my hormonal issues. And this is one of the body wash that really helped me. I used to apply this on my body and leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it off, and it actually showed me results. It controlled my acne flare up, and it is also not drying, because usually benzoyl peroxide soaps are really drying in nature, but this is not that drying. This used to leave that little moisturizing effect after washing. So yeah, so I really love using it, and my skin also enjoys this during summers. During winters also I really stick to this body wash, but during summers it also helps to control your body odor. So I focus on my underarms and my, like, behind my ears, and like all the area which don't really get air that much. So yeah, all the hidden body parts basically. So it controls odor and also keeps you fresh the entire day. So you can literally give this a try, and this is a very good product for acne, back acne, and butt acne and everything. So yeah, just give this a try, and let me know if you like it. Moving on to another body wash. This is from Chemist at Play, and this is their daily exfoliating body wash. 4% lactic acid plus salicylic acid plus vitamin E. And let me tell you, this smells so good. मतलब काम तो ये करता ही है, but the smell is so divine. I love it. This is This is like a, I don't know, this smells like a pastry for some reason, and I think it has some kind of vanilla extract, because it does smell like vanilla cupcake and pastry, and I don't know, it smells so good, and this is so refreshing during summers. So your shower routine will be, upgraded, like here after using all these products, and you will smell good the entire day, even though the smell doesn't, linger on your body, but for few minutes after shower it will stay. So yeah, this is a very good product, and also it is a mild exfoliating body wash for your body. Yeah. Yeah, basically this is like a mild body wash which is exfoliating, which gives you a very mild exfoliation but actually works. This is also a very good product for odor control. So if you are someone who has a lot of body odor and strawberry skin and butt acne, this really helps with that, because it has all the salicylic acid and lactic acid and all of those things. It actually helps to, remove your very very mild tanning, because I have personally seen it. Because when I got very mild tanning, it will remove it very, like the removal is very very mild. It is not like the chemical peel that I told you, but it does help with a little bit of tanning and strawberry skin and all of those skin problems basically. So yeah, you can definitely give this a try. And if you are someone who likes to, smell good, like a vanilla and cupcakey situation, this is a perfect body wash for you guys. And these are really really affordable, like all the products that I'm showing you, these all are very very affordable. So yeah, you can literally give this a try and thank me later. Okay, now I have another OG body wash for you guys. Do you recognize this? I have showed you this product million times, मतलब जितना भी मैंने videos बनाया हुआ है, सारी recommendation video में I have spoken about this one. This is so refreshing during summers. This is like a जेल बेस्ड बॉडी वॉश, एंड यू कैन सी ऐसे ऐसे मतलब बड़े बॉटल्स कितने ख़त्म हो चुके हैं, आई हैव नो आइडिया. माई एंटायर फैमिली लव्स इट, enjoys it, and this smells so good. The smell actually lingers, on your body after shower. So this is really really refreshing. This is Fiyama shower gel, and this is in the variant black currant and beerberry. This is so good. Like, it also, doesn't strip off your body's natural oil. This is so good. Just give this a try and you will never regret. This is so affordable, and I think this is like a OG product, and I will never stop using this. Never. Okay, moving on, I have this Dove scrub. This is their exfoliating body polish with brown sugar and coconut butter. And if you are like a Dove OG girly, you know Dove scrub is a 10 on 10 product. Like, I have used their pink variant, I've used their, that coconutty, not coconutty, rice body scrub, and now currently I'm using this one. And let me tell you, this is so good. The texture is a little hard, which I honestly love it. Like, I personally like to use a little hard and coarse body scrub, then little gentler one. I love that, scrubby feeling, like the physical exfoliation scrub feeling. And talking about the smell, it smells like, you know divine. Okay, it smells divine. It is everything. Like, taking shower with all these products, experience, like a experience everything shower thingy. So I literally enjoy my shower time a lot. And this is the this is another product that I'll 100% recommend to you guys, because again, this is like a 10 on 10 product, and body scrubs during summers are so good, so refreshing, and it's like an experience, like a whole experience. So until you use it, you will never know. So due to hormonal imbalance, no, I get a lot of acne on my body, like back butt chest acne and a lot of body acne basically. So my doctor recommended this spray. This is basically a salicylic acid back acne spray, and to my surprise, this really works. So you can obviously use it without any prescription also, because this is like a very basic body spray, and it also has benzoyl peroxide, by the way. So you just have to spray it after your shower routine, every alternative day, and then moisturize your skin, and this will do the magic for you guys. So it really calms your redness, and also prevent more back acne from coming. So if you are someone who suffers from back acne a lot and chest acne and everything, then this is the product for you guys. So you can definitely try this once, and I think you will never regret, because I am using it since a really long time at this point, and this is my third bottle. So 3-4 bottles मैं मतलब यूज़ कर लेती हूँ हर प्रोडक्ट के, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई recommend that to you, because that's how I want to you know use the product and then recommend, क्योंकि मैं आप लोगों को कुछ खराब प्रोडक्ट तो नहीं recommend करना चाहती. So yeah, this is a very good spray, and this is so refreshing during summers. So after shower you can just spray it and just leave it. It will dry off its own, and yeah, you are good to go. Talking about body lotions, in the summer we don't really like to use body lotions, but I have found a really lightweight body lotion for you guys, जिसको body पे डालते ही वो एकदम absorb हो जाता है. This is so lightweight, literally feels like a serum on your skin. This is like a new launch, I guess. This is Nivea Super Youth whatever body lotion. This is what it looks like, and this is so lightweight. पहले तो this smells so good, like a Nivea OG moisturizer, and I'll just show you the texture. Just look at this. I'll just take a very tiny amount and just look at this. It's gone, guys. It's gone. It's so lightweight, it is so moisturizing, my skin loves it. And summers में भी आपको अच्छा खासा moisturization ज़रूरत है, because we tend to overwash our body with body scrub, with body wash, and this and that. So बहुत ज़्यादा dry and harsh हो जाता है हमारा skin, and skin के barrier जो है बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो जाता है. So I really love using this one, and मैं इसको रात में यूज़ करती हूँ ज़्यादातर, because it has this pro-retinol and vitamin A, C, E, niacinamide, and all of those things. So yeah, it is also written that you have to use it at night. So I use it at night, and for days I use the bestest product in this world, which is this body sunscreen. This is from Wishcare, and I don't know मैंने इसका कितना सारा बॉटल ख़त्म कर दिया है इस पॉइंट पे. So during day I don't use any other body lotion. I just stick to this one. मैं नहा के ये लगा लेती हूँ and I am good to go. So this is Wishcare sunscreen body lotion. It has SPF 50 PA3+, and this is the bestest product ever you can use in the summer, because your body also need that sun protection, and this is the perfect product. It is so lightweight, blends into your skin so easily, and this is so affordable. I have seen a lot of body sunscreen, those are really expensive, but this is a very good affordable option for you guys. So yeah, I just love this. I never forget to carry and apply reapply whenever I go out. So 10 on 10, and another favorite of mine. I have another body sunscreen which is in this spray form. This is Be Body Wise body sunscreen spray. It has 50 PA3 plus. It has no white cast, blends into my skin like dream. I'll just show it to you guys. I'm just gonna shake the bottle and then just spray, and let me just blend it. ये एकदम गायब हो गया मेरे स्किन पे. So whenever I am out, I just carry this in my bag. And yeah, जब भी मुझे लगता है कि मुझे सनस्क्रीन रीअप्लाई करना है, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई जस्ट गो बैक टू. आप कहीं पे भी बाहर जा रहे हो एंड यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू कैरी दैट बिग बॉटल ऑफ सनस्क्रीन, just carry this, and this is the perfect thing you can ever do to your body. because इतनी गर्मी में बाहर it is very tough to use any heavy moisturizers. ये बहुत ही convenient है क्योंकि ये spray form में है, तो you just take it out, spray and just do a little bit of massage, not massage actually, just rub it, and it will get into your skin and you are good to go. Just enjoy your summer days. वैसे summer days को कोई enjoy नहीं करता, but anyway, just do whatever you want. So I'll just highly recommend this product. So just get it and do yourself this favor this summer. Okay, now moving on to the last body care product, which is this powder. This is Candid Dusting Powder. This is like a medical pharmacy powder. इतनी गर्मी में obvious है कि there will be some kind of bacterial thing going on under arms पे, और या फिर आपके neck पे, behind your ears and somewhere, I don't know. But for me, this powder works wonders. So whenever I am at home or at night, I like to take this powder and just apply it under my arms and behind my neck, behind my arms, and all the other area that I feel like needs that extra protection during this heat and during this humid weather. So it just keeps me odor free, fresh all day, and there is no bacterial infection going on all over my body. So it is like a prevention from a lot of problems, a lot of skin issues, and also doctors recommend this a lot during summers. So if you are someone who sweats a lot, you can actually give this a try. आपको अगर रैश हो जाता है या फिर सनबर्न हो जाता है, इचिंग हो जाता है समर्स पे, so this is the solution to all of those problems. So obviously this is like a 10 on 10 recommendation. Just get it, use it, and obviously don't forget to thank me, because you will never go wrong with this powder. This is like a 10 on 10 product and like a OG product. मेरे घर पे सब इसको यूज़ करते हैं and this is so good. Okay, now moving on to the hair care part. I don't really have a lot of recommendations in the hair care category, but I have recently tried this shampoo from Wishcare. This is their AHA BHA anti-dandruff shampoo, and I quite like it. So during summers, obviously as a oily scalp girly, my scalp get a lot more oilier than any other season. So like a obvious thing, है ना? So I really like to use this one every single time, and I know this like a exfoliator shampoo, but then I use it like a normal shampoo and my scalps behave good. So if you're someone who develops a lot of build up and itchy situation, or get a lot of summer dandruff, then this shampoo will take care of all your things. But don't expect this to reduce your hair fall if you're facing hair fall issues, or give you hair growth, nothing like that. It just cleans your scalp and keeps it fresh for a longer period of time. That's it. And also it smells good, like a mild fragrance, so really nice. Next up, another shampoo which I really like using it, and this is the Naturally shampoo. This is their anti-frizz shampoo. This is the second bottle, and you can see it's like a new bottle. I have already used ऐसा एक bottle, and this is a repurchase basically. So this is a gel based shampoo which helps to clean your scalp little extra than a creamier shampoo, and this is so mild. So as someone who washes hair every 2 to 3 days, this kind of mild shampoo really helps, and also cleans my scalp, and this smells so good. Like, this smells so fruity, so fruity. You will actually feel that summery kind of vibe. This is a really good shampoo. Just try it once, and I think you will love it, because this is really good and also very affordable. Okay, now moving on to a multi-purpose product, which is this ordinary glycolic acid, which is 7% glycolic acid toner. And when I say multi-purpose, I mean it, because I use it on my body, on my underarms, on my scalp, everywhere. So talking about the scalp thingy, I have very bad build-up prone oily congested scalp, and this is the only product that helps me with that, because I have used a lot of clarifying shampoo and nothing gives me result like this. So I apply this 15-20 minutes before my hair wash, and I just massage it, keep it like that, and then just wash it with shampoo and conditioner like a normal hair care routine, and it really deep cleanses my scalp. I make sure to use every 15 days, or whenever required. So this is like a holy grail product again, and 100% summer essential, because again this also helps to get rid of pigmentation, tanning on your body, and strawberry skin, and a lot of those related problems. So yeah, just get this bottle and 90% of your problem will be solved. Okay, so I have another very important essential product during summer, especially, which is a dry shampoo, because my hair gets oily the very next day of the hair wash day. So basically, if I wash my hair today, my hair will get oily the next day, which is tomorrow. So I need a very good dry shampoo that will actually, you know, get rid of the oiliness from my hair, because it's not possible to wash my hair that frequently, even though I have so little hair. Fir bhi I am a lazy girl. So that way, this hair dry shampoo really works. This is Wish Care Air Powder Dry Shampoo. This is like a powder format. पूरा मेरे मुंह में आ गया. But basically it has this cushion applicator. You just have to dab it and you are good to go. ये पूरा मेरे मुंह पे उड़ के आ रहा है guys. But anyway, so this literally works really good. So if you're someone जिसको ऑयली स्कैल्प की बहुत ज़्यादा इशू है, सो आई 100% रिकमेंड दिस. दिस इज़ सो गुड. बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है, वाइट कास्ट नहीं देता है क्योंकि ये ग्रे फार्मूला में है, एंड काफ़ी अच्छे से अब्जॉर्ब भी हो जाता है. सो या, दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. Okay, so done with hair care. I told you it was like a very few products that I am loving at this moment. So yeah, we are done with hair care. Now moving on to the makeup. Makeup में भी बहुत थोड़ू सा item है, but I just thought let me just include, because these are the only products that I'm going back to back. So let me show it to you guys. The first thing that I have is this Dot & Key tinted sunscreen. This is so lightweight. This is so good. I'm in the shade 03 Sand, and this is so good. This is so lightweight, blends into my skin. It gives you a very light and natural coverage also. So yeah, this is like a skincare and makeup duo kind of. So I still will not say I'll still not say that skip your sunscreen and only apply this. I personally like to apply sunscreen and then apply this one, so like a more detailed protection. But if you are someone who likes to wear makeup every single day, but likes to keep it natural, then this is the product for you guys. Moving on, my most favorite product these days is this L'Oreal Tinted Serum Foundation. I have totally stopped foundation, and after that I used to use BB and CC cream, and then now I have stopped those also, and I'm just using this one. This gives you very good coverage. This is so lightweight, literally like a serum. Let me show you the texture. धो बहुत ध्यान से मैं करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि लुक एट द टेक्सचर गाइस, एकदम सीरम की तरह है ना. I just love it. The texture is so good. द फिनिश इज सो गुड, बहुत ही अच्छा सा एक ड्यूई सा फिनिश आता है एंड बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाता है. सो दिस इज रियली रियली इजी टू ब्लेंड. आई एम इन द शेड 4-5 मीडियम. मेरे स्किन टोन पे बहुत थोड़ा सा ये डार्क लगता है, मतलब बहुत थोड़ा सा, बट इफ आई साइज अप अ लिटिल मोर then it will make me very very whitish. So लाइट स्किन टोन से ज़्यादा अच्छा है थोड़ा सा डार्क हो चलेगा, बट light will make me look more ashy, and that's what I don't want. If you're someone with similar skin tone with mine, then you can literally go for this shade, and this is a 100% recommendation from this video because this is a 10 on 10 product. मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट को हर किसी को रेकमेंड किया है इस पॉइंट पे, एंड जिसने भी खरीदा है एवरीवन लव्स इट. दिस इज सो गुड, आई लव इट. Okay, now last but not the least in the makeup category is my most favorite compact powder. This is OG Lakme compact powder, guys. I have hit the pan. I have literally used infinity palettes of this powder because I apply this every single day whenever I'm going out. Without makeup, with makeup, this goes really, really well. This just makes my skin so smooth. So, like, I don't know, it just makes my skin ekdam even tone, and I just love it. I just love the finish. And जब से मैंने अपना content creation start किया है, I have shown this product to you guys. So if you are someone who who is watching me since a really long time at this point, you will know मैं इसको हर एक recommendation में include करती हूँ, and I always recommend this product to everyone around. So this is like a 100 on 10 kind of product. So I love it. Okay, now the last category is like a random category. So I have few random stuff here and there. So let me just quickly show you. So the first item is this silicone body scrub. So like, let me show you the texture. It has this very small bristles which helps to scrub your body. So basically you put your body wash here and then you just hold it like this, and then it is so hygienic and this is so good quality. I am using this since 2 years at this point, and it is as good as new one. We have all stopped using those loofahs, which is like a very bad product and a home ground for bacterial fungal infection and everything. So this is like a very good alternative. Similarly, this is another type of body scrubber which has this a little bigger bristles, and this is like a hard bristle kind of situation. So the purpose of this longer one is that you just do your back scrubbing like this, and let me just tell you, this is so gentle, so you will not feel any harsh. It is like not harsh at all. So you just put it like this and do your nahana dhona whatever, and this actually does the job very well. And with this smaller and harsh bristles, I like to scrub my feet from the back of this one. Overall, this is like a must have during all seasons, not only summers. So yeah, I really enjoy, my entire family enjoys this one. So this is really hygienic. So basically after taking a shower, you can just wash it and hang it somewhere in your washroom, and it will dry and the next person can use it. So yeah, it's like a hygienic product that way. Next up is a very important and must have summer essentials, which is sunglasses. So these two sunglasses are my most favorite. One is from Fast Track and this is from Lenskart. Let me show it to you one by one. This is the Fast Track one, and this is a round framed, very sleek one. Let me just show it to you. This gives you a very cool look, and I personally really like it. Just look at this. You can wear it with your ethnic outfits, with your cool summer outfits, Indo Western, everything. It will just go with all your outfits, and this looks so cool and goes really well with my face. And the other one is from Lenskart. This is like a new sunglass that I got recently. This is also really cool, but in a different frame. So the previous one was in the round shape, and this is like a square shape, and I really like it. Please ignore my voice. I don't know what happened recently, but my voice just changed right now. Okay, so I don't know what happened. Please ignore my voice. We are anyway done with the video. This is so good. I personally really liked it, and this will also go with all your outfits. So yeah, that's all. Okay, so we are almost done with today's video, and this is the last item of today's video, which is this portable cutesy fan, which is pink in color and also have this very cutesy strawberry in between. So it comes with a stand. It can obviously stand like this, and you can also remove the stand and just carry it in your purse like this, and you can just do the and you can just use it on the go. So it just ons like this, and this is like a perfect summer bestie for all the girls out there. Okay, enough of hawabazi. So it has 3 level of speed, and every click will increase the speed of the fan, and ये 3 ही level तक जाता है, उसके बाद ये फिर से बंद हो जाता है, and you can start it again. So this is a very cutesy, very must have product. So you can literally carry it wherever you go, and this is literally a very important and must have product during summers, right? Okay, so with that, we are done with today's recommendation, and I know the video is already so long, but I really wanted to recommend all the product that I genuinely love and use on daily basis. So I hope you guys like today's video, and all the product that I've recommended to you guys are all my summer essentials. So I thought let me share it with all you guys also, because we are family, we are virtual family, virtual friends, and I obviously love you guys so much. So my recommendations are all yours too. So yeah, I hope you guys like today's video, and if you like today's video, then don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please comment your favorite part, favorite recommendation, and whatever you want to love and whatever you want to watch next. And don't forget to share this video with all your friends, all your family, and with your besties, so that they can also, you know, get all the recommendation from my video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and if you did watch till here, comment this emoji right here, and I'll just get to know that you are the real ones. And yeah, I had so much fun filming today's video, so I hope you guys also had fun uh, watching this video, and you will obviously get something from all the recommendations that I have told you guys, because these are my holy grail summer essentials. So yeah, with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care, and I love you guys so much. Bye.